Smith Notes. Let's talk about time. Hey guys, Mr. Smith here. Bubba was almost late this morning, so I decided to check what was his travel time and could he possibly get to school on time. I found that he lives in one of these houses behind me, and that if I walk to school, turns out I can make it on time if I walk fast, or if I walk slow, I might be late. So what does that say for us to talk to Bubba? Class, as we start our study of motion, would somebody give us a definition for time? Damien, you have something to share?
Time is a measure of continued existence.
That sounds like a pretty good definition, but I bet there's a couple of questions out there.
Right. What do you mean when you say existence?
All right, well, everybody look at the whiteboard for a few seconds and tell me what you see. All right, tell me what you saw.
I saw a smiley face.
Now look at the whiteboard and tell me if you see anything different.
I saw the same smiley face, but it was on the board longer.
Right, Kathy. When the smiley face was on the board, we can say it existed. But when the smiley face was gone, then we say it did not exist.
And when it stayed on the board longer, its existence continued. That is what we call time.
I see the symbol for time is a lowercase t.
And the units are seconds. But the definition says that time is a measure. How do we measure time?
In the lab, we usually use a stopwatch. In fact, you may have a stopwatch on your cell phone. Sometimes we have to use a longer period of time than a stopwatch is good for. Let's say you're evaluating how much a tree grows in a year. You definitely don't want to use a stopwatch. More than likely, you want to use a calendar.